my channel. So today I have two very special guests with me. I have my two ride or die best friends, Abby and Estefania. And today we're gonna be playing the voting game, which is a game I found on Amazon. So basically the game is just a who's most likely to game. It comes with cards. We're gonna read those out loud, and then we have name cards here that we're gonna show you guys, and we're just gonna go from there. So if you guys wanna see us play the voting game, then please keep watching. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're just gonna read the cards kind of going down the line. So Estefania's gonna go first, then I'll go, and then Abby will go. So Estefania, let's get it started, girl.
Okay. Who would find a way to break out of prison and succeed? Oh.
Definitely me. Definitely
Wonder
me.
how she would succeed.
I think I would do really well, to be honest. Who has left their number for the wait staff at a restaurant?
Okay, wait. Are we answering this like who has done it or who we would think?
Well, I guess who
Because I haven't.
think.
Yeah, I think who
You have done it?
Well, not for me. It was for a friend, actually. Like, but not for me.
Oh?
I'm good.
Okay, well now we know Estefania has done it for somebody else, so...
So can we say who we think
let's
would
do
do it?
who we think would do it.
Okay.
Okay. My goodness, you guys are fast.
I was gonna say me too, though. It was a tie.
I was in between Amanda and
yeah.
Abby, but I feel like Abby is like feisty in that sense. Like,
She'd just be like, text
Watch
me.
out. Who has gone the furthest in the back of a taxi?
yeah.
Oh my god!
No.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh my, you guys think so low of me. Oh my god. Whatever.
Okay. Who has been to more bars than restaurants? Oh, I know this one.
Abigail.
And
That's that
one. There's no question about
No
that.
question.
Oh goodness.
Who is the one person left on shore when everyone else is skinny dipping? 100%.
Yeah. About that life, guys.
Abby and I would be the
Abby
first
was
ones
Amanda
running to the lake.
in there.
Yes.
Already no. Who is hungover the next day after having 2 beers?
Ooh.
Oh.
Miss Corona Queen
Oh,
over here.
yes.
Corona the
Corona
drink.
the drink.
Not
Relax.
COVID-19.
Relax. Yep. Who would you choose as your cellmate in prison? Ooh, this is a real one.
I don't know.
I just feel like for me, we would scheme and get out.
We would somehow
Yeah.
find a way to like
We would escape. It would
team
be-
up and
yeah.
just like
Yeah. Boom.
Out
But
of
you
there.
would be great because you'd be like a positive
You'd be
vibe, like
like-
bringing the prayers.
you would help me not get depressed.
Yes, yes.
Like-
if the question was that,
But they
it would
still
be-
don't want me, so it's okay.
Who will get convicted of a crime they didn't commit?
Oh, that's hard.
They didn't commit.
I don't know. I don't know. I was.
Okay, maybe I'll
You're gonna vote for yourself. I was in between.
I was gonna
yeah.
say you or me.
Yeah.
Yeah, just
Agreed.
who would show up on your doorstep unannounced?
Unannounced?
Oh, really?
Really?
Amanda?
I don't think I would do that because what if I show
Yeah.
up and you're not home?
I would definitely do that though.
Yeah.
Because
No,
like
you would
they
do
live
it.
close,
Yeah.
especially like they live close. So we're like, hi, like
Yeah.
Yeah.
your food.
Oh,
I
or if
think-
somebody wants to come, see what's in my fridge or my closet,
Deposit.
she'll probably just show up unannounced.
There you go.
Who has vomited in the most awkward place?
Okay.
Okay.
This is no.
Easy one.
Oh yeah. I don't know why that took me like a bit.
Yep.
Sorry guys.
Who should give up the wheel when they need to parallel park?
A 100%.
Yeah.
I cannot parallel park to save my life.
I've never seen your parallel park.
I don't know why, because I don't do
yeah.
it. I don't do
Yeah.
it. I'll just find somewhere else to park.
Who would die first if they woke up naked in the middle of the Amazon? Who would die first? Who would die first?
Who would die first?
Who would die first? Time of embarrassment.
Oh, interesting. Oh, myself, 100%.
Yeah.
I hate. No, I don't.
Oh, bugs.
I don't thrive in that
Yeah.
environment.
Yeah.
I don't like bugs. I don't like any of that. Who is late so often that you no longer show up on time? The easiest question I will ever answer in my entire life. Mrs. Stefania. She said she was gonna be here. She said she was gonna be here at 2 o'clock. What time did you show
Yeah,
up?
who was late today?
No, I was
First
the one
of
late
all.
today.
Okay,
Actually.
but she still said, I'll be there at 2. Came at like 2:30.
2:05.
She's always late.
I
She's
am
always
late.
late.
Who has had a night out and in the hospital?
Like, it has actually
These are just
happened.
not fair.
Like, actually
They're
happened.
not.
Actually.
Who dances like no one is watching when everyone is watching?
Can I give that to everyone?
Yeah.
I'm gonna give that to all of us. Because I feel like we know how to start a party.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I love dancing, so.
Yeah, I think we all do.
Yeah.
Like when all 3 of us are together, it doesn't matter if like no one else is dancing, you will find us start.
Yeah.
We
Trend.
started a party once, remember?
At homecoming at RM.
Yes,
Yeah.
we started that. You're all welcome.
We would always dance, like, everyone was like,
Mhm. Who could talk their way out of a hostage situation?
yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I take pride in that.
Yeah, she really would.
Who is first in line for help?
Oh, I feel bad answering this.
Can I do 2?
Can I do 2 people?
No, they're not going to house.
We're not, but
They think
if
that.
it was out of us,
Out of
it
us
would be
3,
me and Abby, yeah.
she's the innocent one.
Yeah. She'll be straight in line for heaven.
Literally.
Who has gone to church drunk? 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 You did that to Jesus?
Okay, but like, okay,
I was
who
kidding.
would most likely to?
Most like okay.
There we go. That's
Okay.
That's
I would say.
Who would be the creepiest clown?
Just because like she hates them.
Yeah.
I feel like. Yeah.
I hate clowns.
Who pees in the pool every time?
Do you guys pee in the pool?
I don't like to admit it.
I pee in the pool.
I mean,
I'm gonna give it to everyone.
Yeah.
I'm gonna vote myself.
Sorry.
We can all vote for
Yeah.
ourselves.
I voted
Yeah.
myself.
Everyone.
Like, let's not lie. You do it too.
Yeah. Don't even sit there and lie.
We all do it.
We all do it.
Yeah. Who will get into a fight with an elderly person and lose?
Really?
You would think I would lose? Or get into a fight?
You think I would lose with an elderly person? Oh my gosh, I am so offended right now.
Okay, I just don't see Abby or I starting a fight with an elderly person.
I would not start.
No, I think you would get. I don't think, regardless
Yeah.
of age,
I mean, I would be like,
if you piss her off, she's
Fucking
off.
go. Okay. You know what? Who color coordinates their underwear with their socks?
Don't say me, y'all.
It's 100% you. Do you actually?
No, I don't.
Who falls up the stairs?
Who'd you pick? Oh. Yeah, it was between me or you.
I think
but-
Abby's so clumsy.
I should have picked you. Yeah. Who drinks whiskey in their coffee at work?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie. No, but I haven't. I promise
She,
you.
like,
I promise.
actually does.
No, I promise, guys.
Please send help.
Who would fail an 8th grade math exam if we all took one right now?
So mean. So mean.
Hey,
but it's
hey.
so true, but it's so mean. No, I suck at math.
She's got
Get
it
me
down.
out.
She's so
Yeah, no.
successful.
Math is not my thing.
Who eats sushi with a fork?
I mean,
I used to, but then
Okay.
my boyfriend would not allow that anymore.
good for
You
you.
are Japanese. You'd be a disgrace.
I just assumed it would be a Stephanie.
I still have yet to learn.
What? Are you kidding?
No.
Who has accidentally sent a dirty text to the wrong person?
Can I just do you?
I have never. I make sure of who I'm sending it to when it comes to that situation.
No,
okay?
no, we get it. You
No.
have never, but like it could happen.
It
We
almost
would
has
be.
happened, but it did not. I'm very careful. I would pick Abby.
I don't think you have done
Yeah,
it.
I've never been in a situation where, but I could
Mhm.
see myself in the future
Yeah.
being in one of those.
Who lies about the number of people they have slept with?
I don't.
Excuse
Excuse me. I am very open about that.
Yes. Well, I don't want to talk about this on camera.
Say it in a
Well, I was
PG
only
way.
gonna say Amanda because
She's had more partners than like
yes,
Of any of us three?
So it's just like, it would be something to lie about. Like, if she didn't want you to know, it'd be like, oh, I've only
Okay.
had a couple people.
Okay.
But that's the only reason why I would say you.
Okay. I'll take that valid reason, but I'm very open.
Yeah.
Yes, like she has never lied to us
Yeah.
about it or whatever.
I wouldn't-
you know?
But if I don't like you,
Or like if
you're
she
not
just
gonna
doesn't
know my
want you to
business
know.
and all that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
okay, valid. Who has fallen in love at first sight? Actually, who'd you pick? Yeah, we're
Suckers
lovers.
for love, yeah.
Yeah,
We love love.
we're so cute.
Who believes money can buy happiness?
That is so not true. Okay, I didn't know who to vote for, so I was nice and didn't vote for anyone, but I'm offended. This game will show you who your true friends are, just like it says on the box. I believe it. I believe it.
Who has gotten the most upset while playing Monopoly?
You picked Abby?
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, yeah, I am really competitive.
Yeah. I didn't know who to
Yeah.
pick for that one, but I feel like Estefania would get
Yeah.
like
Okay.
real. Like she doesn't get mad often, but when she
No.
does, it's
Like,
it would
when she's
probably be
into
over
it,
Monopoly.
yeah.
Like
Yeah.
in it.
Like we've never played Monopoly together,
Mhm.
just so you guys know that. But I
But
don't
she
know.
would.
I would. I am.
Yeah.
I'm like low key competitive.
Yeah.
Low,
I'm
low
gonna win
key.
this game.
Who has the most awkward middle school yearbook photo? I don't know.
I had some rough years.
I
Yeah.
had rough years too.
Yeah.
I'm a,
Thanks, bitch.
you're so welcome.
No,
I think everyone.
It was a rough
if you
time.
looked at all of ours, you'd be like, ooh.
Yeah.
You'd be like, and
Oh.
I had like glasses. And I was like,
I would smile weird. I
I had just
I
gotten
had glasses.
braces.
It was not a good time for us, but we're in our prime, so that's all that
We don't
matters.
talk about it.
Yeah, we don't talk about
okay?
it. Nope.
Who should have their own reality TV show? Okay, it's obvious.
I think
Let's
you
go.
guys know.
Like, whose channel are we on?
mm,
All right.
Let's make it happen, MTV. Thank
please.
you.
We'll join if you have extra.
We can have a reality TV show about our friendship.
We're actually good. I think we
How
would
cute.
go.
We have like a very long story.
We
so.
do. Oh, we
We
can
need,
tell
like-
it one day.
We need like a story time of our friendship.
yeah, we
Yeah.
we actually could tell
It's
that.
very long.
Yeah, it
Longer
is.
longer than I thought it was.
And it's not simple.
Yeah, it's a
Which I thought it
complicated
was. I don't. It's a whole
She's
thing.
time.
Oblivious.
I guess I was just not there. But that's okay. We're here now.
But
That's
all
okay.
that matters is that we're here now.
Yeah.
Who is the most terrified of the dentist? I am, but like I feel like this one is more.
100%.
Mhm.
Yeah.
I hate the dentist.
Yeah.
Who would be an amazing local news anchor?
Again, MTV. Call her.
Hit me up.
Who will be getting ID'd at the bar the longest? Yeah.
Yeah.
These cheeks.
Who would put pot brownies out at the church bake sale? You see a pattern here?
I wouldn't actually do it, but if it were to be someone, it would be me.
100%.
100%. Whatever. I'm a good time. Who had the most serious relationship in kindergarten?
Oh.
Didn't have a relationship.
Because of what's his face? We're not gonna talk about it.
Starts with a G.
Yeah.
Yep.
It actually influenced a lot of her
Oh,
future
I know who they're talking about.
Yeah.
Fell in love at first sight.
Thank you, G.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Who will break a world record?
I feel like we sort of all could.
Yeah.
If I was sleeping, me. But a realistic world record.
Wow.
Oh.
I would just say like Abby because she's athletic and like
Yeah.
I just feel like she would like be out there like breaking world
I
records.
feel that.
True.
I should have picked
Me
you.
on the other hand.
No, but I was thinking of Stephanie because you know how they have like those like world records of like who can eat like the most like something like for her it would be candy. Like she loves
Oh.
candy.
Ooh.
Like she brings her own candy to the movie theater. Like
Yeah.
oh wait, hopefully no movie theater people are watching this.
Sorry, Regal. Who will be having the most sex in the retirement home?
This is so bad, but it's so true.
Yeah.
Oh my god. You know,
I hope you guys really appreciate our honesty.
Yeah.
You know, it's not
Yeah.
easy, but
we're doing the damn thing on camera.
They're not
okay?
easy, I promise.
It's just-
they're not easy.
We just like to have a good time. Like, whatever.
Stephanie has been through a lot with us, okay? So there's a world record for
we're
that.
for putting up with us, honestly. Love you. So those are all the cards that we're going to be playing today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love having guests on my channel, especially my best friends. We're going to be thinking of more games and challenges and tags to play, so if you guys have any recommendations, please leave them in the comments down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you'll get notified every single time I upload and you'll never miss a video from me. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.
Bye.
See ya!